How to rename database in MySQL in GoDaddy. So let's start the video tutorial. Once we log into GoDaddy hosting account, we need to go to the My Products page. And in this page, we need to scroll down to the web hosting section and click Manage button. Next in this page, we need to click cPanel Admin button, which brings us to the cPanel settings page in GoDaddy. On the main dashboard, scroll down and click on the MySQL Databases option. Now you will enter the Databases page. Under Current Databases, you will find all the databases. To rename a database, look for the Rename option in the same row as the database you want to rename. Click the Rename option. In the pop-up window, retype a new name for the database and click Proceed to continue. And done. This is how the database can be renamed in GoDaddy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.